How to delete Facebook page. If you're done with a Facebook page, here's how to permanently delete it step by step. So first, go ahead and open up the Facebook app, and then from here, make sure that you've changed your account from your Facebook account to the page account. Head over into the menu section by clicking on this menu icon. Click on settings and privacy, scroll down, and then look for access and control under your information, and then from here go ahead and select delete page. So click on continue and then confirm deletion. Facebook may ask for your password, and once confirmed, the page enters a short recovery window, usually 14 days before permanent removal. And once deleted, the page cannot be recovered. If you just want to hide it, you can also unpublish it instead. Only admins can delete pages, editors or moderators cannot. Download a copy of your page data before deletion. Inform followers if you're moving into a new page or platform.